Hi, welcome to Specific Wellness. I'm Dr. Stacey Francis. Come on in. If you've never been here before, I want to give you a little tour. So this is our front room. This is where you get greeted by either Jill or Noah. And we have a lovely sitting area, which you can sit and read some of our literature that we have. You can look at some lab tests that we have displayed, and then we can come on back. Come with me. So this is where we have supplements, and this is where Jill will check you out and check you in. We have a cute little kitchen here where if you wanted some tea, you are welcome to make yourself a cup of tea. And we're going to continue back. Oh, and in the front, we also do workshops. So if you come to one of our workshops, you'll be sitting in the front there. But this is where I do most of my work. So I'm a chiropractic kinesiologist and a functional medicine doctor, which means that I do adjusting to help release pain and inflammation and help the body work better. And some people are scared of chiropractic because of the cracking that it makes. But I cater to cowards. So one, I'm a very gentle adjuster. And two, I can use different modalities like this. This is called an arthrostim, and it gives a little impulse. You hear that? And it just gives a little impulse, and it helps adjust the spine where I see it's rotated or compressed or needs some better function. And then we have lots of supplements. And as a kinesiologist, I do muscle testing to determine imbalances in the body, either structural imbalances, biochemical imbalances, or even emotional imbalances. And so we use very specific supplements, and it's the ones that I really find are most effective. You're welcome to bring yours in, and we muscle test and we look at the labels together, and I explain to you all the reasons I love your supplements or not love it so much. And so you'll understand exactly why I choose the supplements I do or the ingredients I do. It's super helpful, and it makes it much more effective for you to get to your health goals. So sometimes I will do an adjustment through your mid-back, and I'll use something called a tepper wedge. It looks like kind of like a frog, but what it is it's a soft rubber that protects your back as I put you against the wall to release your mid-thoracic spine. Kids love it, even adults love it, because it feels so good. When you've been hunched over a desk or looking at your phone, you kind of have this position and you want to feel good and open it up, and that opens it up beautifully. So I hope you like my little tour, and I hope that you'll join us at Specific Wellness and be one of our patients. Have a great day.